In this video, we will be showing you how you can fix your Reolink remote viewing that is not working. First is to ensure that you are using the correct username and password and confirm that your camera UAV is enabled in settings. Verify your phone or PC if they have a strong signal. You can also restart your Reolink camera, NVR, and router, and also update the camera or NVR firmware and the Reolink app to the latest version. Next is for network and router troubleshooting. Temporarily turn off antivirus, firewall, or VPN on your viewing device or router as they can block some connections. We'll also open the UDP ports on your router and contact router support if you are unsure about the porting. You can also disable virtual LAN or VLAN or access point isolation on your router. Lastly is to connect your camera to a different Wi-Fi or use a mobile hotspot to see if the issue is within your primary network. And then disconnect a few devices from your router to see if there are any network congestion which is causing the problem. And that's how you can fix Reolink remote viewing that is not working. And thank you for listening.